Everyone, this is Moise from HashLogix with a quick tutorial on how to get the maximum out of this plugin, which we designed for onboarding and walkthrough. So I'm just gonna start from scratch. I have this page set up over here, and I'm going to install and drag this plugin into my elementary. So I have this already installed. I'm just gonna drag this into the elementary over here, and right away we can see that we are shown a bunch of options and customizations over here, which I will go through later. Let's just check out the actions over here. So we have to set the number of steps, or you can say the content of each step upon the page load. So right as soon as you load the page, we have to populate the steps over here. So we are going to be using add step action over here, and this will require a few things from you. It's going to be asking for the element ID of each group, title, description, and if we see over here, we have the option to display a YouTube video over here as well. So we will be passing an ID of the YouTube video over here, and we can add a dynamic or static image to it as well, which is great. So for this walkthrough, I'm just gonna grab one of the groups, and I have an ID passed to it. So I'm just gonna copy the ID. I'm gonna paste it over here. Let's just call this sample title, sample description. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave the rest of the fields empty as they're not necessary. And let's see if we have another group set here. Yeah. Let's pass this ID to this over here. Add another step. I'm gonna pass the ID of step 2 over here, and let's just call this another title, sample description. Now, you can add as many steps as you like, but uh, the last section of this entire walkthrough has to be this section over here, which is start tour. So what this basically does is it adds all of these steps and then initiates the onboarding right away. So let's just check the option that we are provided with from the start. So we can change the text of all the buttons over here, like next, previous, done, and step text. We can change all of them. We also have this option of allowing a sidebar which shows the progress of which the user step is currently on, the progress line over here, and a lot of other options and customization which makes this plugin so unique. We can add colors into this as well. Let's just preview how the plugin and how the walkthrough looks like. So upon the page load, this is going to point to that particular step, and our information displayed over here. It also shows a progress bar along with this number of steps because we check marked that option. And when we click next, we are scrolled to the next group here. On done, and yeah, that's it for this plugin over here. And let's just explore a few other things. Like we can uncheck these options as well, and it will simply show the content of each step. As you can see, the progress bar over here and the number of steps are no longer available. So it's just a highly flexible and customizable plugin. We can change the border roundness of the pop-up, the buttons, sidebar, video roundness, image roundness, and all other colors over here. So we can change the color according to the theme of our application, which is great. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any queries, you can contact us as well. Thank you so much.